Hey guys, this is the read aloud of the Giver test, chapters 1 through 9. I'm going to read the questions out loud to you and the answer choices. Question 1. In the first chapter, why is the pilot released from the community? This is from chapter 1, page 3. D. He crashed his aircraft. C. He misread his navigational instructions and frightened the community. B. He failed to make his delivery of food on time. A. He was a spy from an enemy community. Number 2. Why does Jonas decide that apprehensive is a better word than frightened for the way he is feeling about his upcoming ceremony of 12? This is from chapter 1, pages 5 and 6. D. He wants to impress the committee of elders. C. His mother once used the word apprehensive and he admires her. B. After thinking about the times he felt frightened, Jonas decided that apprehensive was the best word to describe his feelings. A. He wants to use more sophisticated vocabulary since he is turning 12 soon. Question 3. In chapter 2, Jonas's father says the following: When I was 11, as you are, Jonas, I was very impatient, waiting for the ceremony of 12. It was a long 2 days. Which signpost is this an example of? This is from chapter 2, page 17. Is this an example of tough questions, again and again, aha moment, or a memory moment? Question 4. Why is Gabriel in danger of being released? This is from chapter 1, page 9. D. He is not growing or developing fast enough and cannot sleep through the night. C. He has pale eyes. B. He smiles too much and the staff thinks that something might be wrong with him. A. He bites the staff at the nurturing center. Question 5. What does a family in Jonas's community consist of? This is from chapter 1, page 11. D. 2 children, 1 male and 1 female. C. Parents may choose any combination of children to raise. B. Parents may have as many children as they wish. A. 2 children, 2 males. Question 6. What can the reader infer about Jonas's feelings for Fiona? This is from pages 45 and 46 from chapter 5. And we're inferring what's not being said. D. He is upset that she does not discuss things with him. C. He believes she likes Asher. B. He may be in love with her. A. He thinks she is not prepared for her assignment. Remember, this is what's not being said. How can the reader infer about Jonas's feelings for Fiona? Question 7. Chapter 5 starts out with the following. Usually at the morning ritual when the family members told their dreams, Jonas didn't contribute much. He rarely dreamed. But this morning was different. He had dreamed vividly the night before. Which signpost is this an example of? This is from chapter 5, page 43. Is this a CC, a contrast contradiction? Words of the wiser, aha moment, memory moment. Question 8. The result of people having stirrings was, this is from chapter 5, pages 48 through 49. D. You must talk with a parent nightly to work through these feelings. C. The community leaders enforcing stricter rules. B. Having to take a pill to put an end to feelings. A. Separating the girls from the boys. Question 9. In the last part of the chapter 8, the author writes, he blinked and it was gone. His shoulders straightened slightly. Briefly, he felt a tiny sliver of sureness for the first time. She was still watching him. They all were. I think it's true, he told the chief elder in the community. I don't understand it yet. I don't know what it is, but sometimes I see something and maybe it's beyond. Which signpost is this an example of? And I underlined these keywords here, sureness for the first time, like you realize something. This is a tough question. Words of the wiser, aha moment, or memory moment. Question 10. In chapter 9, page 87, the following is an example of a tough question. It states, Jonas was stunned. What would happen to his friendships? His mindless hours playing ball or riding his bike along the river? When we discover a tough question during reading, we ask the following question. What does this question tell me about the character? Which one of the following answer choices answers that question? The tough question tells me that D, Jonas wonders if he will make new friends. C, Jonas might want to discuss his new position with his friends. B, Jonas considers his friendships an important part of his life. A, Jonas is confident with the quality of his current friendships. Do your best.